Bitcoin nodes are the backbone of the Bitcoin network. They are essential computers that work together to keep Bitcoin decentralized, secure, and operational. Understanding nodes helps you grasp how Bitcoin maintains its trustless nature without relying on any central authority. A Bitcoin node is simply a computer running specialized Bitcoin software. This computer performs three critical functions. It stores a complete copy of the blockchain, validates every transaction according to Bitcoin's rules, and relays information to other nodes in the network. Think of nodes as independent auditors that collectively maintain the integrity of the Bitcoin system. There are two main types of Bitcoin nodes. Full nodes store the entire blockchain history and independently validate all transactions and blocks. They are the most secure option because they trust no one. Light nodes, on the other hand, only store block headers and depend on full nodes for transaction verification. Light nodes are commonly used in mobile wallets where storage space is limited. Full nodes carry out four primary responsibilities. First, they validate all transactions against Bitcoin's consensus rules to ensure no one is cheating. Second, they maintain a complete copy of the blockchain, which contains every transaction ever made. Third, they relay valid transactions to other nodes, helping information spread across the network. Fourth, they enforce network protocol and security rules, acting as guardians of Bitcoin's integrity. Running a full node offers three major benefits. First is trustless verification. You can verify your own transactions without relying on anyone else, giving you complete financial sovereignty. Second is network decentralization. By running a node, you strengthen Bitcoin's resistance to attacks and censorship. Third is enhanced privacy. When you broadcast transactions through your own node, you avoid revealing your financial activity to third-party services. Running a full node requires modest but specific resources. You need at least 500 gigabytes of storage for the full blockchain, and this grows over time. 2 gigabytes of RAM is the minimum recommended for smooth operation. Expect to use around 200 gigabytes of bandwidth per month for uploading and downloading data. Ideally, your node should run 24/7, though 6 hours per day is the minimum to stay synchronized with the network. Transaction validation follows a 5-step process. First, the node receives a transaction from its network peers. Second, it checks the transaction's format and structure to ensure it's properly constructed. Third, it verifies the digital signatures and confirms that the unspent transaction outputs, or UTXOs, actually exist. Fourth, it confirms the transaction complies with all consensus rules, such as not spending more Bitcoin than available. Finally, if everything checks out, the node relays the valid transaction to other nodes, propagating it across the network. Nodes and miners serve different but complementary roles. Nodes validate transactions, store the blockchain, enforce the rules, and require relatively low resources. Anyone can run a node on standard computer hardware. Miners, in contrast, create new blocks by solving complex proof-of-work puzzles, earn block rewards for their effort, and require high resource use with specialized expensive equipment. While miners add new blocks to the chain, nodes ensure those blocks follow Bitcoin's rules.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.